Alright, so I figured I'd make my first video of the Citrix Xencenter and talk a little bit about my server, what I'm using, and what I'm going to be using it for. First off, I'm already in my Xencenter logged in on one of my servers. A couple things that I have in here would be my access gateway, a master image, a couple virtual machines already created, the Zen desktop controller, and my domain controller, along with a local window sharing folder for my ISOs, and a SAN server. My server consists of obviously 32 gigs of RAM. It has 16 cores. I'm running the AMD Optron at 2.2 gigahertz or 2.0 gigahertz, and it has four 60 gig solid state hard drives, which my Zen desktop and domain controller and access gateway are running local on those solid state drives, locally on the machine. All my virtual machines are running on the SAN itself, where they will be stored. They can be backed up. Just the operating systems themselves are stored on that SAN. A few other things I'm going to go through and show you the consoles if they work. Just the Citrix Access Gateway, my master image, and a few of the virtual machines here. Currently, you can see it's using 22.874 gigs of RAM, or 22,000 megabytes, roughly 23,000 megabytes of RAM. CPU usage is 2%. You click on the performance and take a look at the CPU usage, all 16 cores here. Use memory, and you can see the network traffic as well, in gigs per second. You can see your storage repositories and a few other neat tools. You can back up your whole server to your local computer or anywhere you wish to. Create new pools, add servers, so forth. It's a great tool to use if you're using Citrix Zen server. That is what I'm running on the bare bone or bare metal of the server. Also using the Citrix Zen desktop, which I'll talk about in another video if I get around to it. And just a simple virtualized layout, nothing running too major. Just have a couple virtual machines on it, testing out the software, trying out different things, and so forth.